everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do a Bantu knot on wet hair using the Camille Rose Naturals Almond J twisting butter. I'm going to start with the back sections, and then once I work my way up front, I will show you all how I actually do the knot. I have completed the other 3 sections of my hair. Now I'm going to continue with this section. If your hair isn't still wet, spray a little water on it. I'm going to take a section. Okay, so I have about this much hair. About the size of a quarter, maybe a quarter and a half. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Camille Rose cream. You don't need a lot. And just put it down your hair. I'm gonna comb this section out. Okay, now what you want to do is grab your hair and you twist your hair into one section loosely. Do not twist it tight because your Bantu knot will begin to coil. So I'm pretty much going to just twist lightly all the way until I get to the end. And then I'm gonna take the hair and wrap it in a circle. Just keep wrapping it. Wrap it under the base of your hair. I had a little bit more to wrap, so I just twisted that and I wrap all the way at the base of my hair, and it sticks like that. The size of your Bantu knot pretty much depends on you. I like for my Bantu knots to be a decent size, like a small, medium size, because if I make them too big, then my hair will take forever to dry, and I like for my hair to air dry. Take your next section. Just twist it. Now wrap your hair in a circle, keeping your hair down to the base. I redid these 2 knots because I didn't like how they were hanging. And now I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry and I will be back. I let my hair dry for 2 days. So now my hair is completely dry. Make sure before you take your hair down that your hair is completely dry. I'm gonna take some oil, my TGIN, Jamaican Black Castor oil. Put a little bit on my hands and separate the Bantu knots. Just pretty much unroll the knot and separate your hair. And this is how my Bantu knots turn out. Nice big loose wave curl. I'll probably put a band on, eventually put all this hair in a ponytail. And that is it for my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.